In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save OneNote to OneDrive. If you want your notebook to be backed up online, easy to access from other devices, and simpler to share later, moving it to OneDrive is a great option. This is especially useful if your notebook is currently stored only on your desktop and you want the security and flexibility of cloud storage. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure the notebook you want to save to OneDrive is already open before moving forward. This helps you avoid selecting the wrong notebook by mistake, especially if you use multiple notebooks for different projects or topics. Once your notebook is open, go to the top left area of the OneNote window and click File. This opens the main menu where you can manage settings related to your notebook, including sharing and storage options. If you're new to OneNote, this menu is where many of the more advanced actions are located. From there, select Share. The Share section is where OneNote lets you connect your notebook to cloud services like OneDrive. This is the part of the process that turns a locally stored notebook into one that can be accessed online. Next, choose OneDrive as the destination. If you're already signed into your Microsoft account, you should see OneDrive available as an option. If not, OneNote may prompt you to sign in before you can continue. Be sure to use the account where you want the notebook to be stored, especially if you use more than one Microsoft account for work, school, or personal use. After selecting OneDrive, type in a name for your notebook. You can keep the current name if it already makes sense, or you can update it to something clearer and easier to recognize later. Choosing a descriptive notebook name can save time when you need to find it again in OneDrive or across your devices. Finally, click Move Notebook. This tells OneNote to transfer the notebook from its current location to OneDrive. Depending on the size of your notebook and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the move is complete, your notebook will be saved in OneDrive and synced online. That's it. Your OneNote notebook is now stored in OneDrive, which means it's better protected and more convenient to access wherever you sign in. If you're following along, take a moment to let the sync finish completely before closing the app, just to make sure everything uploads properly.